Всем привет! Hi everyone! Today's video is going to be about the most complex case in the Russian grammar. It's the genitive case. Case number 2. I have the video about the genitive singular of nouns. In that video I told you about its basic functions, the prepositions that we use with the genitive case, and what endings we have in the genitive singular of nouns. So if you haven't watched this video, I highly recommend you to start with that video and then come back and look at this one. So today we're going to talk about the genitive plural of nouns. We will look through masculine, feminine and neuter genders separately. And let's start with the masculine gender. It takes ov, yev, yey endings. The regular ending for the masculine gender is ov. Парк, много парков. Час, 10 часов. Студент, нет студентов. So if the masculine noun ends on the hard consonant in the genitive plural, we add ov ending. Masculine nouns that end on y take ev ending. Музей, много музеев. Герой, много героев. Nouns that end on ц take either ов or ev ending. Огурец, нет огурцов. Месяц, 12 месяцев. As you see, sometimes we choose ov, sometimes we choose ev ending. Why? So if the stress falls on the ending, we choose ov. Отец, отцов. Конец, концов. And when the stress falls on the stem of the noun, we choose ev ending. Палец, пальцев. Немец, немцев. Masculine nouns after ch, sh, ж, щ and soft sign, мягкий знак, take ей ending. Дождь, дождей. Врач, врачей. Рубль, рублей. And there is one noun that you have to remember because it has the irregular form in the genitive plural. It's день. День, дней. So we have done with the masculine gender, and let's move on to the feminine gender. Most of the feminine gender nouns end on a. So to form the genitive plural, we simply drop this final vowel away. Газета, много газет. Страна, много стран. Книга, мало книг. Проблема, нет проблем. Anyway, sometimes when we drop the final vowel away, we see a combination of consonant at the end of the noun that is hard to pronounce. Девочка, девочк. Сумка, сумк. In this way, we insert either o or e in between these two last consonants. Девочка, девочек. Сумка, сумок. When do we insert e? We insert it after ch, sh, sh, ж and soft sign, мягкий знак. In other cases, we insert o. If a feminine noun ends on мягкий знак, soft sign, we choose ей ending. Дверь, дверей. Ночь, ночей. Тетрадь, тетрадей. And two nouns that you have to remember because they have the irregular forms in the genitive plural. They are мать, матерей, дочь, дочерей. And finally, let's talk about the neuter gender. Here we form the genitive plural in the same way as we do it with the feminine gender. We simply drop the final vowel. Дело. У меня много дел. Слово. У меня нет слов. And again, if we see a combination of consonants that is hard to pronounce, we insert either O or E. Окно, окн, окон. Письмо, письм, писем. When the neutral noun has the soft ending, in the genitive plural, it takes ye ending. And actually all nouns, it doesn't matter what gender they are, if they have the soft ending, they take ye ending in the genitive plural. Море, морей, поле, полей. So, I've told you about all regular nouns that we have in the genitive plural. If you want to learn it deeper, if you want to learn more about rules and exceptions that we have in the genitive singular and plural, I highly recommend you this book. It will answer all questions concerning the genitive case. Thank you for your attention. Удачи с русским. Пока.